Hi foodies, welcome to Bake and Make Snacks episode number 3. Today we are baking something deliciously healthy, a choco cake using ragi flour. The prep work is super quick, taking less than 10 minutes, and your ragi choco cake will be ready to bake in just under 30 minutes. And guess what? It's simply irresistible. Let's get started. Let's prepare our dry ingredients first. In a bowl, add 3/4 cup of ragi flour, add 3/4 cup of wheat flour, half cup of cocoa powder, 2.5 teaspoon of baking powder and a pinch of salt. Mix all these dry ingredients really well. We move on to the wet ingredients. In a pot, take 3/4 cup of water and add a teaspoon of coffee powder. Let it come to a boil. Once it's boiled, switch off and filter it thoroughly, and then add back to the pan and put it on simmer. Add 3/4 cup of jaggery or sugar, whichever you prefer, and stir until it's completely melted. Now add 6 tablespoons of butter. I'm using unsalted butter here and this is in room temperature. Mix this until it's well combined. Cools down a bit, add 1/3 cup of yogurt to the mixture. Now it's time to combine the dry and wet ingredients. Slowly mix them together using a spatula, stirring in the same direction until you get a smooth, well-formed batter. Prepare your baking pan by greasing it with oil or butter. I am using a 10-inch round pan here. Pour the cake batter into the pan and spread it evenly. For that extra touch, you can top it off with some choco chips. Preheat your oven to 180 degrees centigrade and bake the cake for approximately 25 to 28 minutes. We can check if the cake is done by poking it with a toothpick. If it comes out clean, your cake is ready. And here, the cake is ready in just 25 minutes. Let the cake cool off completely before serving. This healthy ragi choco cake is rich, moist, and has a perfect balance of that chocolatey goodness and the wholesome flavor of ragi. It's a guilt-free treat that's perfect for any occasion, so do try this out. Thank you for joining my baking journey, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to make more and bake and make. See you next video. Bye.